Good morning, my wasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own vanilla iced coffee using these shot syrup. So this is a New Zealand brand, but it's very accessible, and I will link down below where I got these. Anyway, if this is something that you'd like to learn about, then please keep on watching. So for today's video, I have something new and something I guess refreshing, very different from the coffee videos I've tried doing before. I just got these shot syrup. This is a brand from New Zealand. So I have here my vanilla and salted caramel, and I already have my cold brew, which is this community coffee Ethiopian Guji beans, medium roast. Alright, so first let's take this tall mug and put some of these vanilla shot syrup. I only need about 2 or 3 pumps of this. So since I like vanilla, I'd probably put in maybe 3 pumps. Okay, so that's 30 ml. Each pump is 10 ml. This is calibrated to have 10 ml per pump. And then let's put in our coffee. So that's about half of it. Give it a little stir so the syrup would be mixed in well. Wow, it tastes good. Let's add in some ice. And we can add in our full cream milk. And give it a little stir. That tastes amazing. So good. Alright, so here is our finished product. It tastes so delicious. It's very refreshing. Perfect for your warm afternoon if you want something to serve to your guests, and if you want the beverage to just be a very good and satisfying refreshment. This is a good recipe. You just need to have 3 pumps of vanilla syrup, and then your cold brew coffee, half, and then put some ice on it, and your full cream milk. Stir it, and that's it. You can get your shot syrup from 1740 Coffee Genesis, so I will link them down below. They are based in Cainta, but they can deliver anywhere in Metro Manila. So each bottle is only about 605 pesos. I love that 1740 Coffee Genesis. It's always there whenever I'd have that cravings. The last time I also purchased from them, it's like very early in the morning, and they're the only ones who would reply and send out whatever your order is as soon as possible. So I really like that about them. And you can get everything same day. They're very friendly, they're very prompt, excellent customer service. So plus their pumps is not overpriced. I know you can buy these things from Torani, and I can see the pumps being sold by Torani is about 300 pesos just for the pump itself, which I think is ridiculous. So the pumps are only actually 190 pesos. So everything, this is a 1 liter bottle. So 605 plus 195, that's 795. 1 liter na. If you're gonna buy from Torani, 480 or 750 mils, and then you will spend 300 pesos for the pump. So you'll spend about 700 plus also, and you'll just get what? 650 mils. So that's why I went with the shots, because it's more affordable, and shots uses no artificial colors and flavors. Actually, you can just use 2 pumps lang with the original recipe, but since I like it sweeter, I added additional pump. And each bottle, you can actually make 10 liters or 50 glasses of whatever you need. So that's kind of marami. That's quite a lot. Yan. It says here naman na you just have to use 10 ml or 1 pop for mild. If you want the regular calibration, 2 pumps or 20 mils. And if you wanted something strong, then 3 pumps, 30 mils. So yeah, I'm very satisfied with this. I've heard a lot of good reviews about shots. That's why I was willing to try it out. Plus, 1740 Coffee Genesis is always like there whenever I'd have my cravings. So I hope you try this out. This is not sponsored. Again, I just really love their service and I really love the outcome of this coffee. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if in case you've tried this recipe, don't forget to shoot them down below or message me or leave a comment on my Instagram. I'd love to hear what you think. I'd love to hear if you've enjoyed it or if you've tweaked it to improve it. Let me know and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!